Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening WhatsApp and going straight to Settings, then Payments. This is where UPI lives. Once done, make sure the phone number shown matches your UPI ID because WhatsApp ties history to that account. If you see a verification prompt, follow it now to confirm ownership. Keep your device unlocked and connected. Otherwise, the app may block transaction details. This first step gives you access to the payment hub and prepares WhatsApp to display history securely and accurately. Once inside Payments, tap Payment History to load the list of transactions. WhatsApp shows recent entries first. Then, use the search box or date filters to narrow results. Type a contact name or choose a range to find a specific transfer. Make sure you recognize the status icons. Sent equals money out, received is incoming, failed indicates no completion. If many entries appear, filter by contact to isolate one conversation. Doing this saves time and helps you audit specific payments quickly and clearly. Finally, tap any transaction to open details and note the UPI reference ID, date, and amount. These are key for bank reconciliation. Once verified, screenshot or export the details for records, especially for disputes or refunds. If a transaction is missing, refresh the payments page, force close and reopen WhatsApp, or check your UPI app and bank statement. Make sure the link number is verified. If problems persist, re-verify your number in payments. That usually restores missing history or clarifies status.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.